I've had a few questions about like pregnancy cravings and things. Basically the baby has the biggest sweet tooth ever. So I have to have chocolate every single day. I've been having like a daily hot chocolate, it's the dream. But this chocolate spread is pretty much up there with my favorite foods in the world right now, just from the jar with a spoon. From the jar with a spoon, with a jar of peanut butter with a spoon, the dream. But then also like on porridge, on toast, you name it, it's amazing. Just like dip fruit in, like do like apple pieces and stuff as a snack, amazing. The best thing about it, first of all, it's no nuts, but second of all, it's just 4 ingredients. So all you need is some kind of plant-based milk, coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk, all work. Coconut milk is nice for the flavor. Some cacao powder, a little bit of coconut oil and dates, and that's it. And then we're gonna pop that in a saucepan and blend it up. So to get started, all we need to do is I'm just gonna quickly weigh out the dates. We want about 200 grams of medjool dates if possible, because they're stickier and sweeter, and you just wanna take the pips out. So it's 200 grams when pitted. Then we're gonna pop those in a saucepan onto a medium heat, and I'm gonna cover the dates with almond milk and just slowly cook that for about 15 to 20 minutes and just stir it every now and again, and over that time it will start to form a paste. So then we're gonna add in the cacao powder and the coconut oil and stir that all up. Add a little bit more almond milk if it's starting to become too thick, so just keep an eye on it. The heat that you're cooking at is gonna make a difference there. But once you've formed a nice thick paste, we're gonna take that from the heat, leave it to cool, and then once it's cool, we're gonna pop it in the food processor and blend until it's super smooth and creamy. So there we go. You can see it's super easy. You just want to store it once it's completely cool in something airtight in the fridge. And as I said, you can pop it on like porridge, on its own, from the jar, fruit, you name it. It's amazing. 4 ingredient chocolate spread. And you're going to find tons and tons of recipes like this, recipe videos, yoga videos, meal planners, shopping lists, and everything on our app. Link below, 99p a month. 400 recipes and updated almost every day. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Can't beat peanut butter and chocolate together. Heaven.